morning, everyone. Today, we just ate breakfast. And hopefully I don't have any eggs or anything in my teeth while I'm talking to you. That'd be embarrassing. So, I got the most fantastic night of sleep last night, which has not happened in a while. And you know, the good old-fashioned 6 hours of sleep can mean $1 million to a person. And last night I slept really good. Alexa, got up this morning. Turn off the Fire TV. And Ronnie's turning the Fire TV off. Alexa, turn off the Fire TV.
Okay.
We've been watching Killer Kids. Anyhow, got up this morning. Actually felt good enough that I made coffee. I colored my hair. I fixed breakfast. We had sausage, eggs, biscuits, and hash browns, which I can't even eat this because I'm so full. And orange juice. I was supposed to fix breakfast when my company was here, but they didn't want it. And so I ended up not making any of the breakfast stuff that I bought. So we're taking advantage of it today. We are going to go out and I want to get some new mattress covers for my bed upstairs. It's probably going to be challenging because I have such a big bed. And that reminds me, I want to go upstairs and measure that mattress before I leave the house. Also, too, we're going to go see Twister today at the movie theater. I will give you an honest review of what I think about the movie. I'm excited about seeing it because I remember the old ones that came out, and I love them. I like a good thriller kind of movie. Ronnie's going to love it because they have the audio description headphones, and it's going to describe everything. It's going to be plenty of noise and activity. He loves that kind of a movie. And we're going to get going. I'm going to go clean up, and then I'm going to grab my bag. I'm going to run upstairs, brush my teeth, and measure that mattress before we have to head out. We are seeing an early movie because it's cheaper, and cheaper is cheaper, and that's the way I like it. So we're going to finish getting ready, and we're going to head out the door. I'm going to take you with me. Dishes are done. Got it all cleaned up so I don't have to come home to a mess. I like that. This orange juice, I've never actually had this before, but economically it was not that badly priced at Walmart, and it tasted really good. And if my husband liked it, it means a lot because he's very picky about his orange juice, but this was delicious. Wash my couch cushions. We've some cookie crumbs in there. I'm going to start with the gray, and then I'm going to do the covers, and then I'm going to do the main cover, and then I'm going to hang new curtains in here. I'm going to get my steamer out and get the wrinkles out of it and clean this window today. But while this goes in the washing machine, I'm going to finish my coffee this morning. So we're going to do some cleaning today. I'm going to take you along with me. So let's get started. Hello, everyone. I'm sitting here editing this video, watching over the footage and all that I did. And I had a little technical difficulty with my camera because I did run out of storage at some point in this video. And that was completely accidental. But I am just tearing apart this entire couch, and I am vacuuming underneath it and just giving this a good clean. I feel like I just did this, but since I'm going to hang all new curtains up, I decided, you know, it wouldn't hurt to have it all completely fresh and new. The things you didn't see in this video was that any kind of throw pillow, any of that, I washed. I washed and dried, and I scrubbed everything down, and it felt good when I got it done. It felt good when I got it done. So right now you're seeing me vacuum the floor. I don't know if it's because I live near a river, but we get a lot of flies, and they don't last very long in my house. And we have been in a drought. Actually, today's the first day that I've actually seen a little bit of rain, but we've been in a drought and the flies aren't seem to make it. And so what you didn't see in this video was about 20 flies that was on the floor. I think that they are drawn to that window because of the light. And so I vacuumed all that up and got that out of there. And I am going to take these curtains down, and you're seeing me there doing something. And when I had my living room painted, they left that blue painter's tape on one of the little hooks that's up there, and that's what I was taking off of there, just getting that down. And I'm going to do my best to hang these curtains. I hope you all are having a good week. I did think I would come in here and just tell you really quickly that I enjoyed the Twister movie. It was a really good movie. If you like that kind of thing. The storyline was really good. I definitely think that they put the hot guy in that movie to make that movie. There's always got to be a hot girl or a hot guy in a movie, right? But the movie and the action in it, it was really, really good. I think it was worth going to see. Now, my husband is blind, and he didn't really care for it too much. I think he was looking for more of the tornadoes, as opposed to, like the storyline. He wanted to hear more tornadoes and storms and all that kind of thing. So, but overall, I think he enjoyed it. He definitely enjoyed the popcorn that our friend Danny bought him. He likes the movie theater popcorn. So we had a good time. It was a good time going to a movie. I like to go early in the morning because it's a lot cheaper and it's cost effective. And right now, I think everybody is feeling the pinch and trying to be cost effective and, budget all the funds, right? Now, I will tell you, the curtains that I got here actually came from my mother. She had all new blinds put in her house. Instead of having curtains, she's having these big blinds. And she asked me about these because I had been looking for some curtains so that I could open and shut this window and let a light in when I wanted it. And I was very happy with it, which you'll see here, the end result. And I'll show you what it looks like. But I will tell you, I don't know if you can tell by watching this footage of me steaming these curtains, but my arm was getting extremely tired. And so, yeah, I mean, I just keep plugging at it, but my arm gets really, really tired and wore out. So I'm taking turns hand by hand. And I didn't put the attachment on, but I steam it and then kind of take my hand and kind of, flatten it out. And it seemed to work pretty good. And it looked a whole lot better when I was finished. So I got these new curtains, and I don't know if this is going to make any sense to anybody. And I'm sweating to death. So when you first of all the wrinkles did not come out, but I think over time when they hang a little bit, it'll get better. I also have some wrinkle releaser that I'm going to spray on these to see if that will help. I don't know if you noticed it, but this side was sticking out real far. And when you hang these, see how the thing goes in? When you start the ends, you want them to go behind and then on top, behind and on top. Because when you open your windows, you want this end to have a nice crisp ending. And of course mine looks like it needs to be steamed a little bit more. I did not put my steam attachment on. I just used my regular, but you can see the beginning goes under, then over. Don't go over then under, because otherwise it don't give this clean effect on the end. And the reason why I went with these curtains is because it is nice to be able to open these during the day because we do get a lot of sunlight, and then I don't have to turn lamps on or lights or anything. It also makes this room look a lot bigger, and it's really nice to let all that light in when I'm filming. So it's a win-win. These are a little bit shorter, which is okay because the couch is going to go there. They're a little bit different material. They are supposed to be completely blackout. However, can you see the light coming through? I don't think they're 100%, but they are lined really nicely. And I think over time, this will work really good because I'll be able to open and shut them as I want. And yeah, so I like the color too. The color looks really good in here. It's kind of a neutral, kind of goes with everything. And I like that. So I like to be able to open and close whenever, you know, I want to let light in, because honestly, it's really pretty out here. Got my porch out here, my giant sunflower growing out there, and let some light in. Be really nice. So yeah, I kind of like that. I'm hot from climbing on the ladder, so I'm gonna get me something cold to drink, and then I'm gonna get my steam mop. We're gonna mop, and then we're gonna put this couch back together. This is the wrinkle releaser that I'm using. I take this on vacation with me, especially if you have a lot of dress clothes. I think it works really good. I'm all out, so I must have liked it. Yeah, so there is the curtains. I think it looks good, and now I'm gonna go on to the floors. So here I am again using my steam mop. I love this thing. I'm also using the almond wood cleaner from Method. If you have never used it before, it smells amazing. Highly suggest it. I just squirt a little bit on the floor as I'm steaming, and it really does the trick, and it makes the room smell really good. It also makes your hardwood floor really shiny and fresh looking, and I was really happy with the results. Now my steam cleaner I bought from Lowe's. It's not a real expensive one, but you just fill it with water. It does have 2 buttons on it. One to make it steam, and the other one just to, I don't really know, turn it on. I don't know, but there's 2 buttons, and I think one is to scrub and one is to steam, but anyways, nevertheless, this thing works really, really good. It comes with a pad on the bottom, and you can just remove it and easily, you know, throw it into the washing machine and be done with it. So yeah, you can see me straightening things up over there in that corner, and that is where I keep all of my my battery chargers for my lawnmower and my blower and my weed eater. So a lot of batteries being charged over there in that section. Now I am putting the couch covers on. This is where my battery goes dead. I'm thinking that is recording me the entire time of me putting all of my couch covers on. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My couch comes from IKEA. I've had it over 5 years, maybe 6 or 7. I'm not even sure, but love it. The couch comes with these covers that covers the entire thing. It comes apart and you can wash it. Camera ran out of storage, had to delete some stuff, but I did get the couch covers on and the cushions covered and the blankets all washed to tidy up a little bit more in here, and then we're going to start cooking some supper because it's getting late. Okay, this is what I'm going to have for dinner, some stuffed peppers. And I've got seasonings on the top, and then I'm going to cover it with foil, and then I'm going to bake it for about an hour at 375 degrees. I'm going to uncover it, cover it with cheese, and bake it till it's nice and bubbly on top and melty. It's going to be delicious. So that is what we're having for supper tonight. Next to it in the oven are going to be these big, huge baked potatoes. I washed them. I put some, let's see here. Doing this with one hand. Some olive oil and some salt, and put them in this foil. I'm going to throw them into the oven along with the peppers. Well, we had a fantastic meal, and I'm going to call it an ending to this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Bye.